Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I got a new package from Pixi. Their PR packages are legendary, and I thought I'd unbox it with you. Also, I just want to say, shout out to my new dress. I got it from a charity shop for £1. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, yeah, let's get unboxing. So here is the package. I have not yet opened it. You can see it's all sealed up. So yeah, I have literally no idea what's inside. Oh my God, I am so glad that I did this with you because it looks like it's going to be a very exciting box. Have a look at this. Ooh, 25 years of glow. And it is shaped like a book. How cute is that? Ooh, what is this? Ooh, look at that. When I was saying that Pixi do the best packages, this is what I'm talking about. It's so fun, it's so cute. I am so excited. Okay, so this package is all about glowy skin because it's their 25th anniversary. And let's see what we've got. So first of all, they've sent a top up of the iconic Glow Tonic. I love this stuff. It's so good. I have quite sensitive and dry skin, and somehow it doesn't irritate my skin, but it does do what it's got to do. It's so good. I love this stuff. It's amazing. It really does make you glow, doesn't irritate, and yeah, I love it. It's so good. Next up, we have the Hydrating Milky Mist. Now, I have tried stuff from the Milky range, but I do not remember trying the mist, so I'm going to give this a go soon. I don't know if it's new or if I just don't remember it, but yeah, that's exciting. So next item. Oh my God, this is one of my all-time favourite products from the brand. This is the Rose Oil. This is a gorgeous face oil. I love it. I use it in the day. I use it at night. It's incredible. It's really light. It smells like roses. It's really hydrating, but it's not too greasy. It's just a perfect and beautiful face oil. I love it. It's gorgeous if you have dry and sensitive skin like me. And yeah, it just really does the job without making you greasy or kind of make you feel sweaty if it's a hot day. It's so good. And guess what? There is more. So inside here we have the On The Glow blush, which I love. I have done a video about this. I actually use this on my lips and on my cheeks. It's really, really, really pretty. And this is in the shade Ruby. It's just beautiful. I love the On The Glow range. It's so good. As for the lip tint, I don't think I've ever tried this. This is one of the Hello Kitty ones. This is a reactive lip tint. There we go. Let's get it in focus. So I will give that a go, but I've never tried it before. And I'm already wearing lipstick. I'm actually wearing a Pixi lipstick. But yeah, I haven't tried this before and I can't put it on now because I'm already wearing lipstick. But I will give this a go and let you know how I feel about it. Ooh, I have not had these for so long. These are so pretty for Christmas. They are liquid fairy lights, but actually, I have to be honest, I have used these as highlighters before now as well because the shimmer is beautiful. The glow from the moon effect is beautiful. I'm going to swatch it for you so you can see. So it's real glittery loveliness. It's one of those products that like you can wear at Christmas or you can wear at a festival. And if you want it on your cheeks, if you want it kind of like on your forehead, wherever, just to give that real unicorn like glitter look, it's so good. But you can also just dab a little bit on your eyes to like give a beautiful Christmassy look to your eye makeup. But you can see it really does look like fairy lights on your skin. It's beautiful. Ooh. Look at that. And that's just one layer. You can also build it as well. Next up, we have their mascara, which is a really good mascara. I don't wear mascara every day. You probably know that about me. But when I do, I really, really love the Pixi one because I just think it's really good. It just is everything you want from a mascara and it's really comfortable as well, which I love because I have quite sensitive eyes. And then the final item, again, I love, love, love this. It's their Sheer Cheek Gel. The only way I can really describe this is like their version of Benetint, but it's actually more of a gel. What's going on with my hair? But it's actually more of a gel than a liquid, which I really like. Let me show you. I'm just going to swatch it. So when you put it on your skin, it is literally like a gel. It doesn't like drip. And then you just pat it in for a really kind of sheer, lovely, just warm, very natural kind of glow. Again, buildable, gorgeous, really easy to move around. It doesn't kind of like stain your face either. It's just lovely. And it's really like glowy and glossy and really youthful. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, that was my unboxing. What a treat. I'm kind of blown away by everything. Like, Pixi are known for their amazing packages, but I have to say, that was one of the best. Like, that was incredible. Oh, there's so much good stuff in there, and there's so many favorites in there as well. So anyway, that is my video, and yeah, I love Pixi. I love Pixi. If you have never tried their products, please do. I think I did a video on my 5 fave ever Pixi products. But yeah, what do I love? Of course, their glow tonic. It's iconic. I love their makeup setting spray. I love their glow mist as well. What else do I love? Their lipsticks are actually really lovely and really like pretty and dewy, and I don't know, they're just lovely. They kind of like make your lips look really good and full, but like they're really comfortable. They're not too matte. They give a really pretty youthful look. What else do I love? Their eyeliners are really good. Their face oils are beautiful. Oh, their blemish stickers are incredible. I don't get many spots, but when I do, I like to get rid of them quickly, and they really do work. And yeah, there's just so much from the brand that I love. Oh, the on the go, on the glow blushes and bronzers and highlighters are just dreamy and lovely. And some shades I use on my lips and my cheeks because they're just so pretty, and I don't know, they just work everywhere. They're so good. I love the brand. It's such a lovely brand. So yeah, if you don't know them, please look them up. They're a joy. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you, and I hope you like. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like a very spoiled princess now. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.